musubi every day.
What did we get today? We have the rice ball with shiso and salmon, radish and spam musubi, tempura shrimp, avocado and spam musubi, as well as the unagi and egg and avocado musubi. Maybe like start with a lighter flavor profile.
Lighter flavor profile.
So like going that way maybe. More expensive than musubi. Radish.
The rice went down my breathing pipe.
More matching today. My nails, my hat, my clothes and my water bottle.
And the next one, I'll try the unagi one.
Unagi. It is unagi.
That's eel.
Yeah.
I remember Ross being like, unagi. I thought it was fish.
There you go. Swapsies.
Can you get musubi in Sydney?
No.
I feel like you could just make it. Open a musubi shop.
We have cute bags as well.
This is the one that I got.
So cute.
This is the one that Angel got.
Yeah.
Also very cute. Alright, see you on the hike. Guess who's on a hike? We're gonna go up to the top of the crater. You can see the path walking up, and oh my god, it looks so long. And it's kind of crazy because, you know, I was always one who was very pro hikes. Like, yeah, let's go on a hike. And even in Australia, and our dad used to always take us bushwalking on hikes. But I'm starting to kind of understand why people don't want to go on hikes. It's very hot and very sweaty, and if I could take an elevator up, an air-conditioned elevator, I would. I'm understanding the other side. Like, who would... Ooh, view. Who would subject themselves to this form of torture? I mean, I know who would. I would. Because that's what we're doing right now. That is where we are going. Thinking about taking off my Apple Watch because I don't want a sun tan line there. But then, what is the point of a hike if you can't show for it? Am I right? No, I'm kidding. You should just Strava it now. See, that's what I'm saying. What's the point of hiking if you can't show your friends? Yeah, I don't really want a fat tan line here. Okay, I might take it off. No, but all complaints aside, it is nice to be exercising. And I think the view will be nice as well. I think we're almost at the top.
Yeah, we're almost there.
I'm okay. Actually, yeah, I have a bit. I'm sweating in places I didn't even know I could sweat. And my hair, pretty sure it's like staining my back. But you know what? I would rather be red from red hair dye than sunburn. That's a fact. Found the crater. That's it there. Anyways, up these stairs we go. This is the view from the top. We made it to the markets. We got cumin lamb noodles and an iced lychee black tea, except it kind of just tastes like water, so I'm a little bit disappointed.
I feel like it won't be spicy.
Yep, 5 minutes later, still tastes a bit like water. I love my lychee drinks, so it's just not it. Thick noodles. I saw them hand stretching it, so it must be good. We got an ube butter mochi and a matcha one from this place. Hello, attractive angle. We're gonna try the ube butter mochi. There you go. So, texture, oh, it's very squishy. The flavor is very light though. I like how it's kind of dry on the outside and then like moist and chewy on the inside. So we just got some taco spring roll things from here. I thought it'd be more flavoursome.
I like it tastes of the store.
We got banana. It's more banana-y than I thought it would be.
It's very refreshing. Oh, right, there's a shack near us. We can get it tomorrow. A shack? What do you mean a shack? Of this shop. Oh my god, that looks so good. It's like the same thing, but in a pineapple. This is what we're gonna get tomorrow. Oh, it's called the Pineapple Yacht. This is basically a fruit salad. I think we've been making really good food decisions lately. Quite enjoyed everything we've been eating.
Another musubi. We got the eel, avo and egg one again, and we also got 2 stickers. Very cute. I got the one on the left, which is got a little turtle, and Angel got the one on the right, which is a musubi bus. Do you guys want to see the most ghetto way of making instant noodles? So all we have is a coffee machine and coffee cups. So what I'm gonna do is I got a cup of water and I'm gonna put it in here. Then I'm going to get this packet into and okay, it's already crushed up. Courtesy of Angel's bag. We're using Shin. Put it in my cup. Just trying to fit as much as I can. Now going to put in this because you know we gotta eat our veggies. Good, good, good. I'm gonna put my cup under, just press start, slowly fill in the water. I'm gonna put some soup base in it. Shin ramen in a cup.